Hello guys, so this is a trick to accelerate your AI research LLM training. The idea is to blend the previous token into the next token. So for every token in language, every word is gonna heavily depend on the previous word. Previous word is the biggest influence for the next word, next token. So if we just blend a bit of, even before the transformer processing starts, this is free compute. First, you can see that I got a bit better results, and this works in parameter golf, in OpenAI, and speedrun modded nano GPT. So the idea is that when you have the hot dog ran, you would blend a little bit. So I'm gonna show you here how it works. So you have some token here, green, and you have the previous token blue, so you're gonna multiply the previous token with some gate, so it's gonna diminish this previous token and then add. So that's gonna be the new current token, and this gate will just diminish. It's gonna determine how much of the previous token you wanna add. So usually you would not blend other tokens because attention is gonna deal with other tokens. We are already doing this with attention, by the way, but the idea is that previous token is so influential that if you do this, there is so much influence that even this simple will actually give it more data, and it's worth it. It's worth it, the compute. I want you to tell to your AI agent to try this and do ablations, and then you can compare a validation loss of baseline and this and see if it works better, if it trains faster your transformer. The code is simple. You have current token plus smear gate is learn parameters times the previous token. That's gonna become the new current token. And here is some example. Let's say these are current tokens, first, second, third, and these are previous tokens. And by the way, first position will get replaced with 000 because there is no previous token to first. And smear gate will be some learn parameters. So then they will get multiplied and it will get added in this formula. And by the way, I'm doing this one-on-one coaching. It's 80% off for the first 8 people, but there was already 1 person, so now 7 spots left. So we're gonna set up experiments, research. If you're trying to transition career, if you're trying to publish papers, it's 1 hour for just $20. 80% off right now, later it will go up. Check below the video and see you in the next one.